Hi everyone! Today, a magical time machine has taken us straight into a hidden Smurf village, where a cute little talking squirrel has lost its favorite golden acorn inside a magical mushroom. Let's draw this mysterious house together as the main house is traced. We can add some wild green grass at the bottom so our mushroom house hides safely from the bad wizards. Our black outline is coming together so beautifully and is almost ready for the most exciting part. Let's finish up these last few marker lines together and let's get ready to paint.